same thing we was doing in the music. Okay, the same routine.
But we're also going to play with the instrument. So when the fine's going to go do, go, do, go, do, we're going to go
Do 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 do.
when it's going to do boom, 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 we go
Cool cool cool.
Very good. So
Alright.
we're going to interpret what the instrument is telling us.
Okay, ricordatevi con me. Tu go do go do. Tu go do go do. Tu go do go do. Tu tu tu. Tu tu tu. Tu go do go do. 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 A tu tu tu. A tu tu tu. Ai a tu tu tu. Ai tu tu. Dice a tu 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 tu. A tu 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 tu. This is the more important, el ritmo, the rhythm. Okay, so you give me the sign. I want to do.
No, we're going to do 1, 2.
Okay, here we go. We're going to do 5, 6, 7, 8.